me. In front of me is Vivo V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard. Now tap on this icon at the top left corner and select Settings. Following that, click on Settings under Language and tap on Advanced Settings. As you can see, all typing options are available over here. To manage them, click on the chosen ones. Or, after clicking on, for example, autocorrection, tap on your language and select one of the available options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!